from your weather authority, Chief Meteorologist Wayne Hart.
Well, it's certainly been a very interesting autumn. The hot, dry start, then the record cold November, and of course, meteorological winter right around the corner. It starts in about a week. So tomorrow night, I'll have my annual winter outlook on both Eyewitness News at 6 and 10 o'clock. Make sure you watch both newscasts right here on ABC 25. And the one hint I can give you is that this winter looks different than the last one, and I'll leave it at that. Still fine-tuning that outlook for you, but I'll have it wrap it up for you tomorrow night at 10 o'clock. 60 to 65, not at all winter-like today. Last day we were in the 60s, and only happened one other time this month was 3 weeks ago today. We may touch 60 again on Saturday, but that's going to be a rather unsettled day. Live first warning Doppler radar is all quiet right now, but that will begin to change tomorrow morning. But the next really good chance of rain kicks in late afternoon through tomorrow night. And there's a live view from downtown Owensboro. That's our American RV tower camera, our IMAR tower camera off the top of Fifth Third Bank in downtown Evansville. And the temperature comfortably cool for a change. Only 51 right now, thanks to a southwest breeze coming in at 7 miles per hour. Most of the area between about 45 and 50, and we're just going to drop a few more degrees into the mid-40s by sunup tomorrow morning. And skies are still mainly clear, but the clouds begin to move in overnight as this system begins to wind up, and it's really going to intensify as it shoots out of the southern plains into the Great Lakes later tomorrow night and Wednesday. And just from the area of strong low pressure itself, we're going to get a lot of wind tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. And on top of that, the potential for a few thunderstorms. So let's update Future Tracker here and take you through the next few days. Lots to show you. Overnight, we just go partly cloudy. We'll have a little sun in the morning and maybe a spotty shower up in the northwest corner of the tri-state, but the clouds will quickly increase. Little wave of scattered light showers coming through around noon, nothing all that heavy. So you'll still be able to get out for much of the day as highs warm into the upper 50s to maybe around 60. So we do have a shot at 60 again tomorrow. Depends on how quickly this more significant wave of rain comes in. But by 4 p.m., Future Tracker has it overspreading the metro and points north and west. And then some thunder showers begin to mix in tomorrow night. But the severe threat looks like it's going to stay mainly to our west. The marginal risk, that threat for an isolated damaging wind gust, gets into the western fringe of the tri-state, mainly west of Highway 45. The more significant threat will be along and west of the Mississippi River. This line of storms will be weakening as it moves our way. And though it could have some brief heavy rain with it, it looks like rainfall amounts with the system will range from 1/4 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch across much of the area. But here we go tomorrow evening. You can see the thunder showers mixing in here at 9 p.m., but the main line comes through overnight. You can see it approaching Evansville at 2 a.m., but in general, the winds are going to get really strong tomorrow night, gusting up to 40 miles per hour because of that intense area of low pressure, which is going to drive that cold front through, dry us out by daybreak Wednesday. So it's going to be a great looking Wednesday, just a few clouds, mainly in our northern counties, but still very windy in the morning. Winds will let up some in the afternoon. Highs just back to normal between about 50 and 55. And then clear to partly cloudy Wednesday night. We'll have some sun to start off Thanksgiving morning, but then the clouds thicken up during the day, and it will be a little chillier, upper 40s to around 50. It looks like late afternoon on Thanksgiving, a little scattered light rain coming up from the southwest. Better chances will be in the evening, and some of the other guidance has us farther to the west. So I think much of Thanksgiving Day, especially before sunset, will be dry, but Thursday night could get into a little bit of light rain before we begin to dry out a bit on Friday. So clouds increasing overnight. Cool lows only in the mid-40s, and the clouds will continue to increase tomorrow morning. We'll have some scattered showers around, especially later in the day. Windy, mild high, upper 50s to around 60. 7-day forecast. Showers and a few thunderstorms increasing tomorrow night, but ending by daybreak Wednesday. A very windy Tuesday night and Wednesday morning, gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Otherwise, a good-looking Wednesday, 53 for the high. Thanksgiving Day, the clouds increase. Just some spotty light rain later in the afternoon and evening. 46, so it's going to be a little chilly. Friday, mostly cloudy, a little scattered light rain during the day, picking up Friday night. So we got a weather aware tag mainly on Friday evening. It does warm a bit, and most of Saturday's got a weather aware on it for off and on showers and thunder showers. Once again, it turns very windy but mild, 61 for the high. Cold front comes through Saturday night, so much of the rain's over by daybreak Sunday, but it stays very windy and it gets a lot chillier. 46, a few wraparound showers, and then conditions begin to improve the early part of next week. So a lot on the way the next 7 days, off and on, back and forth. But right now, the best chances of rain tomorrow night and then again Friday night through Saturday night.
All right. Thanks a lot, Wayne. Well, just ahead.